Down she goes. We're recording. Okay.
I'm gonna check if it's recording. Hello? Hello? Oh yeah, it's recording.
It is recording. Okay. Hey everybody. Welcome to my channel. I have no sponsors, but we have a need in the yard for some cleaning up. And in order to do that, we need something small, like a chainsaw, but we don't really want one that's gas.
And also there's a chainsaw
Because, well, I get tired of pulling that string all the time to get the chainsaw to run because I'm not a small engine mechanic and I just don't keep them running well. So, with that being said, Wesley, would you go grab the chainsaw over there?
Okay.
Right up here, buddy. So we have went to Lowe's to find us, Lowe's is not a sponsor, to find us an option, and we have decided on this D20 lithium ion cordless chainsaw. I don't know if you can see that in the picture there. It has a 10-inch chain bar on it. It comes with a battery and a charger. And it says it's VersaTrack compatible. I'm not sure what VersaTrack is. It says it comes with a 3-year unlimited warranty. They say they build with pride. So, not sure about all that. I think this was made. Let's see here.
Yeah, it's still recording.
Let's see here. The back of it says it has a bolt lock chain tensioning. Move over, buddy. It has a 10-inch bar and chain. It's a 20-volt max, 18-volt continuous operating. You know, all that stuff. So this is going to be our first unboxing. This is my son Wesley. He's my big helper. They also advertise all sorts of other tools that are battery operated as well. So we're going to open it up and let's see what we got. Alright. First thing that I see is a wrench for the chain. So let's have a look at it. Well, first thing, wait a minute. Wait. First thing you see, it's a pretty standard looking wrench for the chain.
Yeah.
A set of instructions so that we can learn how to operate it.
And I feel something in this.
Good place for them.
There's something in it.
Yeah, let me get that out of there. Let's see. Hold this for me.
Okay.
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 Like everything else, it's going to be a pain to open, I guess.
I'm not seeing this coming.
Okay. So in the box here, we got feels like the battery and the chargers in this first part. Yeah, we have a, what does that say there? 2 amp hour lithium ion battery. 2 amp hours. And it feels like there's also a charger that comes with it. So we'll get this on the charger here in a little bit. Make sure it's good and charged up before we take off. So put that back here. Pull this dude out. And it appears the box is now empty.
I can almost feel how heavy.
Looks like a pretty standard chain, standard tool. Like on a regular chainsaw, it looks like you can, your chain tensioning, or if you need to change the chain out, just a little wrench right here. Pretty lightweight, I would say probably 6 or 7 pounds. Probably says on the box, but I'm not going to look for it. It's got a bar cover. They got their name everywhere. Craftsman. So we're going to have to see how this thing works out. It's got a, I don't know if you can see that or not. You have to get out of the way soon. It's got a safety mechanism here, so you can't pull the trigger unless you press the safety mechanism. I know it looks funny, I got the chain up on my head, but there's no battery in it, so. Standard brake, or is it just a guard? No, just a brake. Or excuse me, it's just a guard. They've got a heavy duty toothed thing here to press against your logs or whatever you're cutting, tree limbs, so you can grip it as you go around. The handle looks pretty good and tight. It's got a flat or a Torx screw. It also has a place for a bar oil right here. Put your bar oil in there. I bought some, it's probably in the truck. Goes there. And back here is a little hook for you to hang it up with. You can hang it up on a shelf. Yes, son?
There's a little wet yellow jacket that I think is making a hole in your generator.
Okay, well we'll take care of the yellow jacket and the generator. Speaking of the generator, that's a project coming up. We need to get it cleaned up and put back together and put some new tires on it. So give us a little bit and we will show you what it does when the battery's charged. Well, we're back. It's next day. Say hi, son.
Hi.
So again, we're looking at this Craftsman 10-inch battery-powered. There's bugs out here. It's about 90 degrees and about 70% humidity, so it's kind of hot. But so we got the battery charged up. This is the next day. So yesterday I brought this in the house, plugged the charger on it, plugged right across here, plugged it into the wall. It took about 3 hours to get a charge on it before the light turned green. So I'm gonna start getting it set up here, and we'll get out there and do something with it. All right, so that's parts on. It just slides on there real easy. If you can see that. Yes, son?
Can I say something to the viewers?
Yeah, the viewers are right there.
Okay, so what I want to tell you is, this is not the news.
This is not the news, and this is not a sponsored video. This is something that I'm going to use here at the house. So, but if Craftsman wants to sponsor me, I'll take all the toys and tools that you got. Okay, so once again, I'll take the nice shield off. Get Craftsman on it. Well, the wrench is here, obviously, like I said before. Just check it, make sure it's tight. On this side of it, you're going to see we've got the bar oil. So we're going to go ahead and put our bar oil in. See if I can do this without spilling it. I don't know if this is any type of special bar oil or anything. It's just Pro Select Premium that was sitting next to the place where they had these.
The clover.
You found a 3-leaf clover. Great.
That's one of the worst things.
Yeah, a 3-leaf clover is a rare thing. Not really around here anyway. So, all right, let's try to put this in there without spilling it. Looks like it's a pretty small tank. It's already full there. Okay. We'll put our cap back on. We'll put our lid back on here. some of you that may not know, when I put anything on that's threaded, you know they're righty tight and lefty loose and all kind of things. Before I thread anything to the right, I always turn it to the left until it falls into place so that it doesn't cross thread. Just a little thing that I learned after I cross thread a lot of bolts. Okay, so we got everything in here.
Even a brush.
You can see the oil level in here. It's got an oil level sight glass.
I got a brush. I found it over there.
Nice, nice. Can you go put it back for me?
Okay.
Okay, so we got the oil level sight glass here. Battery is attached. It just slides on. So I don't see any other safety things, so we'll just give her a little push. I might be too close to the camera. Alright, let's go give this a try.
Okay.
Okay, so this is an area by my deck, and I have some overgrowth. These things come up, they're pretty quick. So we're gonna just get this out of the way. Get this out of the way here. I might just trim these off. Let's just see how it does. Okay, that's pretty good. Little stuff. Alright. You can see here I got a stump from when I cut off a few years ago. When I did this a few years ago, I used a handsaw. Yes, son?
There's something stuck in the...
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to do the first cut off here. I don't know if you can see this or not, but we're going to try it.
Can I carry that thing?
Here, you want to take that to the brush pile?
Yeah.
Alright, good job.
Oh, I can carry
This
it
one
with...
here is a
it's
mirror
not
tray.
heavy
It's
at all.
really green.
This is not heavy at all. I can let you carry it with one hand.
Good job. Okay, so we're just going to take this one down as well. So maybe I'll start it here. Got kind of little spiders around here. Another tree stump back here. Pull over a little bit. Back up, son. Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Alright, so we got that little tree down. Sorry if y'all got a 3D view of that. But it looks like we got her down.
And it's impossible to...
So now I'm going to trim it up a little bit. Wesley, if you hold the vlog over here.
Yeah.
Alright, come over here. Can you stand over there and watch me cut?
Okay, I'm going to stand behind the fence. That goes over my...
Okay, make sure you get a good view.
Okay.
Alright, can you see me?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to turn this back on.
I think it's going much slower in the video.
Yeah. See if we can get her cut open here. Alrighty. So our first little log is cut off.
I wanna see how heavy that log is. At least the fence is safe.
Give me the vlog. So that's the first piece. Okay, there's the log down there.
I'm gonna get the handle away.
Okay, take that to the brush pile.
I'm gonna see how heavy the log is.
Okay, see how heavy the log is. Oh man.
Oh, that's heavy.
All right, take.
That is heavy.
Okay, put one side down. Put one side down, and then take it to, and then drag it to the log pile over there. That way it ain't so heavy. All right. So that's the aftermath of where I had the camera. At least it's a small tree. Pointing over there.
Okay. Is it paused?
Nope, it should be recording.
Oh, it
Okay,
is.
so we're going to try this again. This is a tree that sprouted up last year. We're just going to cut it down so we don't have it growing in our fence. Let's go. I don't want you to be able to see it. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Simple enough.
That's big.
Let's go back this way.
It might, guys. It might look like
Rather than dropping it on the camera.
it might look like it's smaller in the camera, but it's actually bigger in real life.
So
No, so it might be too shady.
down here, I'm just going to try to get it off low enough that I ain't going to deal with it. Alright.
I'm literally sweating.
Yeah, it's hot out here.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
push stop. Hey guys, okay, so now I'm going to show you another reason I bought this. It's down here on the ground. I've got all of these little lawnmower blade destroyers in my yard here.
It's called a lawnmower bomb.
Okay,
Actually,
so
it's called a little.
back up,
You can call it a little tree stump.
back up,
Okay.
a little more. Hold that.
Okay. I don't know.
So we're going to just cut her off level. I got another one over here. Are you recording me or are you pretending?
I'm recording. You were really chopping up that glass.
All right. All right, guys. So we just spent a little bit of time. You see my little oops there where I knocked the tree over on top of my camera stand, but the camera's fine. Camera stand's fine. Nobody was injured in the making of this video. So anyhow, this nice little 10-inch chainsaw. Looks like I used I don't know, maybe a couple teaspoons of oil in the bar. You can see there's some oil out here. The oil is around the chain, so pretty happy with it. As far as how the work went, trying to video and show you at the same time is not easy, trying to figure out which camera angles. But this is my first YouTube video. So the Craftsman 10-inch chainsaw with the 20-volt lithium 2 amp hour battery is thumbs up in my book. I haven't compared it to any of the other ones, so I don't know about the other ones. But this one here is pretty satisfied. I think I'd buy another one if I needed to. And thanks for watching.